Does the penis need to hit the uterus for a woman to feel pleasure in sex?
A woman feeling pleasure in sex depends on her mind's sexual response. When a woman is sexually aroused during sex, her desires respond well, leading to good pleasure. The penis hitting the uterus does not, under any circumstances, cause pleasure. In the structure of female genitalia, the penis cannot reach or hit the lower part of the uterus. If someone feels the penis hitting something hard during sex, it's not the uterus, it's the sacrum in the back of the pelvic region that the penis hits and feels hard, not the uterus. A woman experiencing pleasure in sex is a common topic of discussion among couples. One widespread misconception is that the penis must hit the uterus for a woman to feel pleasure. However, this is entirely incorrect. A woman's pleasure in sex depends heavily on her mental state along with her physical responses. When she is sexually aroused, sensitive parts of her body see the clitoris. Inner vaginal walls see respond and provide pleasure. The idea that the penis hitting or striking the uterus causes pleasure is scientifically inaccurate. According to female anatomy, the uterus is connected to the vagina via the cervix, the opening of the uterus. During sex, the penis cannot reach or hit the uterus. The cervix is very small and typically closed, so the penis cannot access it. Moreover, the uterus isn't a sensitive organ designed to provide pleasure. It's an organ meant for carrying a pregnancy. Sometimes during sex, if the penis seems to hit something hard, it's not the uterus. It's likely the sacrum, a bone at the back of the pelvic region, or other structures that it contacts, causing a hard sensation. This contact might feel pleasurable to some, but it's not due to the uterus. The primary areas that produce pleasure in women are the clitoris, inner vaginal walls, and the G-spot, which respond during sex. What can be done for a woman to feel pleasure in sex? First, she needs to feel mentally comfortable. Stress, fear, or discomfort can reduce arousal, preventing pleasure. An emotional bond and mutual trust with the partner are also key to pleasure. Second, foreplay is crucial. Gently stimulating the clitoris, breasts, or other sensitive areas increases arousal, enhancing pleasure during sex. Third, choosing the right positions during sex can help. For example, positions that stimulate the clitoris or touch the G-spot can provide more pleasure for a woman. However, the key point here is that the penis hitting the uterus isn't related to pleasure. If that happens, it might even cause discomfort or pain for some, not pleasure. Lastly, women's experience of pleasure in sex varies. Each woman's body and mind respond differently. So, it's important to communicate openly with the partner and understand what feels pleasurable to her. Letting go of the misconception about hitting the uterus and focusing on her physical and mental responses will make sex a pleasurable experience for both.